Hey everyone, welcome to Bombay Hair. My name is Anna and I'll be going through one of the best-selling kits at Bombay Hair, the 5-in-1 curling set. This 5-in-1 curling wand set can be completely customized and upgraded to be your perfect fit. You can purchase their hair waver or their thermal brush attachment separately as they are compatible with the 5-in-1 handle that is included in the kit. Today we'll go through all the different sized barrels, how to detach and swap them, the ideal temperature for your hair type, and what type of curl each barrel actually looks like on real hair. So let's get styling. Once you open up the set, you'll see the handle, 5 interchangeable barrels, a heat-resistant glove, a small curler stand, a couple of sectioning clips, and a user manual all neatly packaged in the box. All 5 attachments are tourmaline-infused ceramic barrels for smooth, shiny styles and come in 5 different sizes. A tapered 1-inch to 0.71-inch barrel, a 0.75-inch barrel, 1-inch, 1.25-inch, and a 1.25-inch clamp iron. The handle has a power button and digital display with up-down buttons, super easy to set. This unit heats quickly and has a secure barrel lock collar so the barrels click in place. All attachments go from 170 degrees to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Temperature is measured in Fahrenheit and Celsius. Here's a general guide we recommend our customers. Always use the lowest effective temperature possible and don't leave the hair in the barrel for too long. Let's get into how to safely use the 5-in-1 curling wand set and how to swap between barrels. We wanted to mention an important safety note when switching between the barrels. Make sure you're always unplugging the wand and letting it cool before swapping the barrels out. You can always use a supplied heat glove provided in the box when swapping between barrels, even once they're cooled. And these are the steps you'll follow to add a barrel. Ensure the curling wand is turned off and unplugged. Grab your desired barrel and push the barrel in. Turn the notch towards the lock symbol. You should hear a click. If your barrel is not locked in properly, you will see an error message on the digital screen. And lastly, plug in and set your temp. And now to change the barrels, ensure the curling wand is turned off, unplugged, and completely cooled. Then turn the notch towards the unlock symbol and pull the barrel out gently. Once you have your barrel locked in, you can turn it on to your desired temperature setting. And I'm going to show you what you can achieve with each type of barrel. Regardless of the barrel size that you're using, always start out with clean, fully dried hair. Section the hair into manageable sections. I'm using 1-inch sections for most of the barrels. If you're new to curling, we highly recommend using the heat-resistant glove provided. Our 0.575-inch barrel is our smallest barrel in this set, which is great for defined corkscrew curls. I'm using 300 degree Fahrenheit for medium hair, and I'm wrapping small 1/2-inch sections. Hold for 6 to 8 seconds, and then release. This is the result: tight, defined spirals, great for volume. This second barrel is our 1-inch barrel, which makes medium bouncy ringlets. Slightly larger sections than the previous barrel. Hold 8 to 9 seconds at 320 degrees. These are perfect for a textured retro look. This middle-sized barrel is our 32mm wand, which will give you a classic soft curl. Think of a salon blowout, but with a wand. If you love soft curls or lift-in waves, then this barrel will definitely be your favorite. I'm working with 1-inch sections at 320 degrees Fahrenheit and holding for 8 to 10 seconds. Just brush through for soft, bouncy waves. Our 32mm iron barrel curler is perfect if you love using a clamp curler. It results in classic curls that you can evenly brush out to give you perfect, effortless beach waves. You get a perfect classic curl. Run your fingers through to break up the curl and give you an undone finish. The tapered barrel creates natural, less uniformed waves, which is great for lived-in texture. Wrap the hair away from the face, alternating directions on some of the sections for a more natural finish. Finish off with the texturizing spray. We hope this short tutorial helped. If you have any specific questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section of our YouTube video. And hit subscribe and shop the Bombay Hair 5-in-1 set, which is linked in the description below. See you next time!